Hello guys and welcome back again to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you one of the iPhone tricks that maybe still some users do not know. Now if you go to the settings and scroll down under display and brightness, here we can change the text size on iPhone. So it's very obvious. From here you can like swipe right and left to change the size. Okay, this is the largest point, right? And this is the smallest one. But when you change it from here, it will be, the text size will be changed for everything on iPhone, whether it is like the system, the settings, or the apps. But there is one like more way you can do it. You can change the size, all right? Yeah, for everything, or maybe for an individual app on your iPhone. So here is what to do. Now swipe down the control center and tap and hold, and then add a control. Now here we have the text size, add it, okay? But this is not the point still. Now tap and hold, and here we have two options in the bottom. We have home screen only. So if you tap it here and then change the text size, right? Just swipe it up and down to change the text, okay? Now it means that the text size will be changed for home screen only. But if you, change it and put it for all apps, then when you change the text size, it will be changed for all the apps. Let's have another example to make it more clear for you guys. Now open the notes. Now I have the notes app open. Now open the control center and tap and hold the text size control here. Now as you can see guys, now I have it at or for on notes only. So let's change the size, the text size here, okay? Tap somewhere, and as you can see guys, now the text size is being changed only for the notes. Let's check the other things. No, it's not changed for the system or everything else on iPhone. Let's open notes again. Swipe down and use open control center again, tap and hold. Let's change it. It's for notes only. Let's change it back to 100. Okay, tap again, tap somewhere. Yeah, so it's back again to 100. This is the text size that is set for the notes. Again, just to remind you, tap and hold. And then if you want to change the text size for everything, all the apps on iPhone, you can just drag it to here, to the left, to the right, and then change the text, and then it will be changed for everything. For that specific app, you will, swipe it left or just tap here, and that's it. I hope you liked it. Share with your friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.